So I've just had a Belvita breakfast yogurt crunch come through the post today. Let's take a quick look. So you get 5 biscuits, and it's got your vitamin E's, your B1s, your calciums, your magnesiums. Contains 12 grams of whole grain. Ooh. And it's, if we can focus on that. Oh, it's out of date. Should we have a look inside it? Whilst I'm trying to hold my iPhone. Let's use my knife now. Get into it. So we got our Belvita breakfast yogurt crunch. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, it's a new type of wrapper for Belvita. Looks like a bloody nappy. Ooh, well, that's edible. Oh, I didn't know Belvita done Texecom keypads. I'll have an area of my biscuit. I might even have part of my biscuit. I could reset my biscuit, go up and down on my biscuit, or have a look at the biscuit menu. Okay. Strange. Oh well.